This video walks you through how to run a productivity report in Clio Manage. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main workspace, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This opens the reporting area where Clio Manage keeps the different report types in one place. After that, click the Reports tab. In the list of available reports, find the Productivity category and select Productivity by User. This is the report used to review productivity details for one user or across the full set of users in the account. The next setting is the user selection. Here, choose whether you want the report to include all users or a specific user. If you are reviewing overall activity across the firm, select all users. If you only need results for one person, choose specific user, and then select that user from the available options. Make sure the user choice matches the scope you want before moving on, since this affects the data shown in the final report. Next, choose the practice area filter. You can leave this set to all practice areas if you want the report to include work from every practice area in the account. If you need to narrow the report to one area of work, select specific practice area and choose the one you want. This is useful when you want the report to reflect a particular section of your firm rather than the full set of matters. From there, move to the remaining report settings. Select the reporting fact, then choose the date range you want to review. These options control what kind of productivity information is included and the time period covered by the report. Then select the output format. Choose the format that fits how you plan to review or share the results. Take a moment here to confirm that the reporting fact, date range, and output format all reflect what you need, since these settings determine how the final report is generated. When all selections are in place, click Generate Report. Clio Manage will process the request and create the report using the filters and options you selected. Depending on the date range and the amount of data included, this may take a moment. Once the report appears, review the generated productivity report on screen. Check that the user selection, practice area, reporting fact, and date range all match what you expected. If you chose a format for downloading or need a copy outside the platform, export the report in your selected output format. This gives you a version you can keep, share internally, or use for further review. Your productivity report in Clio Manage is now generated and ready to review or export.